Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D model in Autodesk Inventor 2023. We will construct this model in sheet metal domain as this is a sheet metal part. So in this model we will use commands such as face, flange, cut and extrude, and we'll construct a flat pattern of this like this and fold it. Okay. So let's get started with today's tutorial. Go to file, take a new part in sheet metal in millimeter. Now take a 2D sketch, take the top plane, rotate it from here, take a 2-point center rectangle, select the center point, expand it. We'll give a dimension of 300, tab 150. Okay, finish sketch. Now go to face command. It will automatically select the sketch and the profile will be made, a sheet metal profile will be made, and okay. So this, we don't know this sheet metal how what thickness this sheet metal have taken. So for thickness, go to sheet metal defaults. So by default Inventor will take 0.5 mm thickness. You can change it from here. We need a sheet of 2 mm. Okay, so thickness is increased automatically. Now go to flange command, select the bottom edge and give the dimension of a height of 50. Similarly, go to other side and go to select and select the bottom edge, and the height will be same of 50 and okay. Now go back to home. Now again go to flange command, select this bottom edge, rotate the part and select this bottom edge and apply. Similarly, go to here, select this edge, the distance will be 50, and go here, select this edge, this will be 50. Okay. Now we have to make this top profile, the cutting profiles we will make now. Select this face, create a new sketch, go to rectangle, go to slot, center to center slot, make a slot over here, similarly a slot over here. Now give the dimensions. The center to center dimension of slot will be 75, and from this side edge it will be 30 mm. This will also be 30 mm, and the radius will be 15. So you can give this constraint equal, select this radius and select this. Similarly, select this center line and select this center line. This will match the slot profiles. Now go to horizontal constraint, select this center point and select the center point of slot. These are fully constrained now. Exit sketch, go to cut command, select these profiles. It will cut up to thickness of the sheet and okay. Now select this face, create a new sketch, go to circle command and make circle of dia 20. Similarly this of 20 dia. Now give the dimension from top. This will be 30 mm and from the outer edge this will be 20 mm. Now take the vertical constraint from here, select this center of the circle, this center. These are aligned in a vertical constraint, the vertical constraint. From edge give a dimension 30 mm. Okay, we have to make similar profile over here, so take a line for the center point. When you will drag, a green point will appear. This will be the center point of the profile. Okay, okay. Now we don't want this line to be in solid, so click on this line and right click it and go to construction geometry. This will make it a construction geometry. Okay, now go to mirror profile, select both these circles, select the mirror line, select mirror line to this and apply. The profiles are mirrored. Now finish sketch and go to cut command, select all the 4 circles and OK. So this profile, the top profiles are being made. This profile, the top view will be this. These profiles are made. Now we will construct this side cut. For side cut, go to home, select this face, make a new sketch, go to circle command, place center of the circle to the edge of the flange. Similarly here, give the dia as 60. They are already equal. From outer edge, the center will be at 50 mm. Similarly for this also 50 mm. Okay, so now you can see it's in a moving state. Go to constraint, select this center point, select this line. Similarly select this center point and line. This is already constrained. Go to horizontal constraint, this point and this. Okay, the dia is not constrained, so go to equal constraint, select this dia and select this dia. Now the sketch is fully constrained. It will show you fully constrained over here. And finish sketch. Now we have to cut both the sides. We have to cut through from here as well. So we will go to 3D model, go to extrude, select these profiles and flip the direction. It will appear to cut, and here the option is through all. It will cut through all the profile and OK. Okay, now you can create the flat pattern of this profile, this part. From where go to create flat pattern. It will give you the flat pattern of this part, which we can provide the drawing to the laser cutting. That's all for today's video. I hope you liked the tutorial. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.